Chapter 1. Generations of Computer. The computer that we see today is a result of deep research and development through a long period. The need of computer and a brief history of its evolution is discussed below. The word computer is taken from the word compute, which means to calculate. Computers were developed from calculators. It is just because the need for more complex and scientific calculations were arisen. Charles Babbage is known as the father of the computer because of his remarkable contribution in the field of programming. In 1837, he made the first computer. It was a mechanical computer that could do very large calculations. The history of computers refers to the different generations of computer. After every generation, there was a huge development in technology. As an outcome, computers became cheaper, smaller, and faster than the computers of past generations. First generation computers. The period of computer evolution and development in first generation was from 1940 to 1956. Vacuum tubes were used as processors. UNIVAC and ENIAC computers are examples of first-generation computers. ENIAC, the first general-purpose electronic digital computer, was invented by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. Features of first-generation computers. 1. Use of vacuum tubes. 2. Computers were big and clumsy. 3. High consumption of electricity was required. 4. Programming was in machine language. 5. Larger AC was required. 6. Lots of electricity failure occurred. Second generation computers. The period of computer evolution and development in the second generation was from 1956 to 1963. Instead of vacuum tubes, transistors were used as processors. Punched cards were used as input and printouts as output. IBM 1401 and IBM 700 are examples of second-generation computers. Features of second-generation computers. 1. Transistors were used. 2. Faster than first-generation computers. 3. First operating system was developed. 4. Magnetic tapes and disks were used. 5. Computers became smaller in size. 6. Programming was done both in machine language and assembly language. 7. Less consumption of electricity as compared to the first-generation computers. Third-generation computers. The period of computer evolution and development in the third generation was from 1964 to 1971. In this generation, integrated circuits, ICs, were used, which are made up of tiny square chips with thousands of transistors. Keyboards were used to input data. Instead of printouts, monitors were used for the first time as output device. IBM 360 and PDP-8 are examples of third-generation computers. Features of third-generation computers. 1. Development of integrated circuits. 2. Low power consumption. 3. Use of SSI and MSI technology. 4. Use of high-level languages. Features of third-generation computers. 1. Development of integrated circuits. 2. Low power consumption. 3. Use of SSI and MSI technology. 4. Use of high-level language. Fourth-generation computers. The period of computer evolution and development in the fourth generation is from 1971 to till date. In this generation, a new device named microprocessor was developed by scientists. This device is designed by fixing many integrated circuits into a single unit. Most often, it is also called the Central Processing Unit (CPU). IBM 4341, 10th December, star 1000, PUB 11 and Apple II are examples of fourth-generation computers. Features of fourth-generation computers. 1. Use of microprocessor-based systems. 2. Computers are the cheapest in this generation. 3. Improved speed, accuracy and reliability of the computers. 4. Development of many high-level languages such as COBOL, Fortran, BASIC, Pascal and C language. 5. Networking among the systems was developed. Fifth-generation computers. The computers in fifth generation are based on artificial intelligence, AI. They have the ability to take decisions and act like humans. Computers based on this technology are still under development. These computers are capable of learning and respond to the natural language and commands.